Hello friends, this is Abdurrahman from BlueCityGA.com. In this video, I'll be showing how to create a very beautiful WordPress website using a free theme and a free page builder. All you have to do is to get a web hosting with a trusted web hosting company, and then you're good to go. So I assume that you've already installed WordPress on your domain, and then you just start from there. Okay, this is our default website. As you can see, it doesn't look that much good. It doesn't look good. So first of all, let's get to our WordPress dashboard. Okay, this is our WordPress dashboard. I'm quite sure most of you guys are familiar with this. So to get started, let's how about your appearance, then themes. Click on add new to add the new theme that we're gonna use. So here on the search themes, type business. That's the theme we're gonna use. A very elegant, beautiful theme. So here's it. Click on install. After installation, then we activate it. This might take about 2 to 3 minutes depending on your network speed. As you can see, mine is taking a bit longer, but you can forgive me about that as I'm using a mobile hotspot. So let's activate our theme. Now let's get back to our site and see what has happened to it. As you can see, we have a new interface. Very elegant, but doesn't look well organized. So the team is requesting us to install some recommended plugins. So we do that by clicking on begin installing plugins. So hover here and then click on it, then click on bulk actions and then select install, then apply. So our plugins have been installed successfully. Let's get back and then activate them. Follow the same procedure, then we activate them. Okay, we're done. So the next step is to go back to our dashboard. We don't need this. Get rid of that. Now hover appearance. Okay. Now hover appearance, then click on import demo data. Okay. So here you are. Click on the import demo data button, and then we wait for some minutes for our demo content to be ready. Yeah, all is done now. Our demo content has been imported successfully. So now let's go and check on our website and see how it looks like now. As you can see, this is our website now. Very beautiful and elegant, but this is not the design we want, so we will change that. Now let's do some important settings here. Hover settings, in general. Here, change title of our website. So I just put it website. Okay, a tagline, I don't need that, get rid of that. And then you can set a default email address here. I will leave it default. Save changes. Here, right then, over here, and I think this one too is okay. We don't need that. Reading. Here we're going to set our home page here. So this other pages, the demo content imported for us. So you can see this is the page I'm gonna use for this tutorial. So I'm gonna select that and then click on save changes. Now let's go back to our home page and see something. As you can see, we have a different home page now. But before then, let's do some customization. Go back here, go to pages or pages. We're going to get rid of some of the pages, so I'll get back to you when I'm done with that. So these are the pages I will be using for this tutorial. So quickly we're going to change the names of some of the pages. So hover the set page and then click on quick edit. This is going to be our contact us page, and then the slug is going to be contact us, and then update. Okay, we have the study too. It's gonna be a home page. Home page. Okay. Publish that one too. So let's get rid of this one too. We don't need that. So now, hover plugins. Some of the plugins we don't need them. Click on install plugins. Select on WooCommerce. That one we don't need it. I think that's all. And then okay, let's deactivate this first by clicking on deactivate. Then select Hello Dolly. We don't need that one. And then the WooCommerce bulk action. Delete, apply, and get rid of them. So now let's get back to our website and see something. As you can see, this is our menu, our main menu, but it doesn't look good. It's not organized, so we're going to change that. So hover here, customize, right click, and then open a new tab with the customization. So now this is our customization page. So hover here, menu, and then select this one, then delete it. After that, you click on this one to top menu, then delete that one too. We don't need that. So now click on create new menu, give it your name, main menu, and then select top menu, and then next. Now we're going to add the pages we just created. There's that, okay, we don't need this one, sorry. This is what we need, so let's arrange it this way. Block should be second. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this page, let's change the name to about us. Okay, and publish. So now let's go back to our website and see the changes that are taking effect. As you can see, now let's check our blog page. This is our blog page. This is how it looks like with the sidebar stuff. So let's check our contact us page and see what is there. Isn't this amazing? This is our contact us page. I'll show you how to do customizations on all the pages. This is our about us page, as you can see. So now let's do some customizations to our pages. Let's go back to pages, or okay, dismiss this notice. Okay, let's do some quick edit here. About us,